Alright, here's a quick little demo. This is a fuzz pedal octave up with a blender with the intent of using this thing on bass. So here's some dry signal. Let's dry all the way this way, octave fuzz all the way that way, so it gets a little boosted because the volume's up. So give you some dry. Alright, let's put her to the halfway point. So just to give you an idea, this is the fuzz octave up. It gives that awesome splattery sound. And you can keep the low end. The blender's ability to kind of crank the pedal and turn it down in a sense by blending it more towards the bass. So it's kind of a neat way to drive it.